Alright guys, let's look at the homework from last night. Problem number 18. We've got 1.2 times 10 to the negative fifth divided by 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this by 4. So 1.2 divided by 4 gives me 0.3 times 10 to the negative fifth. Is this in scientific notation? The answer is no, but we can make it in scientific notation. We're going to move this over. So it went from 0.3 to 3, so that means it went up. And that means that this exponent needs to come down, so 1 less than negative 5 is negative 6. 3 times 10 to the negative sixth. On number 19, 5 times 10 to the negative seventh times 3 times 10 to the sixth. So we're going to go 5 times 3, which is 15. And then we've got 10 to the negative 7 times 10 to the sixth. That's going to be negative 7 plus 6, which is going to be times 10 to the negative first. Is this in scientific notation? The answer is no. So we're going to move that 1 over. That's going to be 1.5. Now it went from 15 to 1.5, so it went down. That means this exponent needs to go up. So 1 greater than negative 1 is 0, and anything to the 0 is 1, and 1.5 times 1 is just 1.5. Alright, for number 20, I've got 3.6 times 10 to the 7th divided by, I'm going to draw it like that, 7.2 times 10 to the 7th. And so we're going to have 3.6 divided by 7.2. That gives us 0.5. 0.5. And then we have 10 to the 7th over 10 to the 7th is going to be 10 to the 7 minus 7. And 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, is this in scientific notation? It is not. So we can move that decimal over. So that's going to be 5 times, and so it went from a half to 5. So it went up. That means that our exponent is going to get one less, which will be negative 1. And now we're in scientific notation. Let's take a peek at 21. On question number 21, I've got 7.2 times 10 to the negative first times 4 times 10 to the negative 7th. So this is going to be, we're going to multiply the first two numbers. So that's 7.2 times 4. I get 28.8. And then when we multiply these two, remember we add the exponents. So this is going to be times 10 to the negative 1 plus negative 7. That's going to be 28.8 times 10 to the negative 8th. This is not in scientific notation. We're going to have to move that decimal over to make it 2.88. So this value went down. Our exponent has to go 1 greater. 1 greater than negative 8 is negative 7. And that's how you do 21. Question 22. 6.5 times 10 to the 8th times 1.4 times 10 to the negative 5th. Alright, we're going to multiply these. So I've got 6.5 times 1.4 gives me a total of 9.1 times, and then remember we're going to add these. So this is going to be times 10 to the 8 plus a negative 5, which is going to be 9.1 times 10 to the third. 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 left to go. 23, I've got 2.8 times 10 to the 4th divided by, so I'm going to put it over 2.5 times 10 to the 6th. 2.8 divided by 2.5 gives me 1.12 times 10 to the, and remember when the base is the same and we're dividing, we're going to subtract these. So this is going to be 4 minus 6. 1.12 times 10 to the negative second. And that's how you do your homework. Thanks, guys. Good luck.